Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, attention required message in printer fix in Windows 11, 10. Type service in Windows search bar, click services. Open print spooler service, click stop the service. Open File Explorer, open this PC, C drive, open Windows directory, open System32 folder. Open Spool folder, open Printers folder. Delete all folders and files in Printers directory. Start print spooler service. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooter, click Run under Printer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.